First I laid this pattern. Breaking down the pattern, I started with an F minor chord, then copied the root note an octave down for some low frequency, and again copied the root note up an octave. I then added a rhythm by moving the notes, adding more notes and using slice tool to cut. Strum the chords to get that realistic feeling. Duplicated the pattern and added some variation. Duplicated the patterns again and added some more variation. I wanted the lower note to be on the first bar and the third bar, just thought it might sound cool. Then to add character to my melodies, I added EQ, vinyl, shaper box, reverb, alter boy, delay, sausage fattener, and this stereo thing. This is how it sounds with the effects. Added a bell. Applied this effects. Added a choir with the same notes of the melody. Took it an octave high to get that energy. Applied an EQ, added this whistle thing. For the drums, added a basic clap. Kick. Rhythmic hi-hat pattern. Bouncy 808. Open hat. Here is the final beat. Please like the video, subscribe, share, and don't forget to leave a comment.
Maglera.